Hi, welcome to this new product post here at proto-pic.co.uk. We have this super capacitor to start with. We have a 2.5 volt 630 farad capacitor. If you know your capacitor, you know this is a huge amount of energy to store in one small package. There's 1960 joules of energy in here. And because a capacitor has a very low internal resistance, it can dissipate this extremely quickly through the terminals. And on some experiments that we've had a look at, this can be used for instance, welding coins to bits of metal and cutting nails and similar. So you want to be careful when you're handling these. Okay, next up we have this breadboard power stick. There's a 3.3 volt or 1.8 volt output, and that's selectable through a switch here. You have a power switch at the bottom. That's designed to go onto a breadboard, a standard breadboard with the ground and the power connections here and here. We'll plug onto the rails and run that fine. Now this unit is also protected. There is a fuse on board. So should the power supply short for any reason, you're not going to damage any of the components on board. That's based around an LM1117 power regulator, and these are quite capable of supplying around about 1.3 amp. Next up we have this I2C FRAM breakout board. That's a 32K or 256 kilobit storage device. It's based on FRAM, which stores your information even when the unit's switched off. Very similar to EEPROM, but this is a lot faster. The clock on this is around about 1 megahertz. In fact, it is 1 megahertz, based on an I2C interface. It's very easy to use these, and you don't have to worry about writing handlers or anything. All you do is you supply the relevant address, and that will load the byte or bit value onto that particular address for you. And moving through to a very similar device. This is an SPI based 8K or 64 kilobit chip. This is a SPI 20 megahertz based chip. So you're trading off lower storage value, but you get a much higher speed. You can push through the information about 20 times the speed. Now, both the previous board and this board are compatible with 3 volt and 5 volt logic. Everything's dealt with on board. All the pins are perfectly happy running at either voltage there. Now, a new shield from Adafruit here for your Arduinos. This is the PN532 NFC Shield or RFID shield. It's exactly the same technology that it uses. It's a radio signal. And this is actually supplied complete with a 1K MyFair card, 13.56 megahertz card there. Now this does require a little bit of assembly. You need to solder the pin headers in, and then it's ready to go. And on the site there's links to the firmware that you need to load to your Arduino to read the cards. The card distance can be read from about 10 centimeters, or that's about 4 inches on that one, which makes this very versatile. You can mount it inside a case. As long as it's not metallic, it'll read through most surfaces. Right, next up we have the DIY Colourful Light Painting Persistence of Vision toy. This is the Minipov 4 kit. It's supplied in a kit, so there is assembly required. And this kit is complete other than batteries. It uses 3 AAA batteries, but you'll be able to order those on our website. Just look at the links on the product page. Now this package is supplied with the main PCB for assembling everything, the ATmega 328 chip, which is pre-programmed with a demonstration image, the battery holder, and all the various other components, including the multicolour LEDs. Now this kit takes somebody that's unskilled, possibly 2 hours to assemble. Somebody that's skilled in soldering, quite happy working away, can do this in around 20 minutes to half an hour. Now you can upload your own images or text to this kit using the USB connector, and a program that's available on our website to upload custom images, custom text, and that will enable you to put on your own light show with this. And this concludes this week's new product post here at proto-pic.co.uk. Thanks very much for watching.